people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. And as you can tell from the title, today we are doing a house hunting and I'm going to be showing you this house. And as you can tell, it is almost 90% occupied, but they still have vacant houses, and this is what we'll be looking at today. So starting out on this part where there is the entrance and the parking lot down there, the staircase of this building is actually wide enough, so if you're moving in your items then you don't have problems because the staircase is wide enough and it's both on the right and the left side of the building. This house also enjoys two entrances, so there's the front and the back of the house, so any of those two is good, but mostly if you have a car then you get to enter from gate B, and if you're just walking on foot then you get to enter from gate A. And in both places you find the staircases and you also find a lift servicing either side. The building, as you can tell, is housing lots and lots of houses. It's also being served by two lifts, so one lift is on the right and the other lift is on the left. These lifts are big enough and they're very spacious, so if you're moving in, this is also something you need to consider if you need to go to the topmost floor, because this building houses up to 13 floors. Moving into this particular house, this is a bed-sitter. I would call it a bed-sitter or a studio apartment. I don't know the difference, but yeah, I would call it that. And the previous occupant of this house is the one that has left this wallpaper, but obviously when you're moving into the house then you can ask the management to paint the color that you'd like to have for this house. So I'm just showing you how I met or how I found the house as of the time of viewing. The window is quite big. These are the door handles. They are very decent actually. They look vintage. There is a mirror there and there's the hand wash basin on the side. Remember, this is a bed-sitter, so the washroom for this space is this, which is the washroom as well as a bathroom, so you will just need to fix your instant shower, sorry. Okay, moving on this side, this is the kitchen. It has a small kitchen here with some storage drawers for storing your essentials. And on this side, immediately after you enter, then you see this closet, which also has another mirror. It's pretty decent for one person, I think. It has drawers, it has shelves, and some parts where you can hang your clothes. This side is where you are supposed to connect your cooker and all those good stuff like the fridge. And this is the kitchen window. You have some extra drawers or shelf there. And this is the back door with more shelves on the corners and what have you. That's the sink area for this space. As you can tell, the lighting in this space is quite nice because I'm just using natural light to shoot this video, and you can see it is well lighted up. Moving outside, this is the back door. That's the view from this side, and you have a small kitchen balcony on this side, and there is a tap. And up there, this is also where you are supposed to hang your clothes outside. Basically the view from the small kitchen balcony that each house has. This particular space is going for 22,000 Kenya shillings. That's about 220 US dollars per month. It's a rental space, and it has a water 24 hours because they also have a borehole on site. They also pay electricity through tokens. They also get to enjoy security. Yeah, there are security guards on both entrances because this house has two entrances, the back and the front. They also have lots and lots of parking space, and that is the price that this space is currently going for. The location is in Pangani, and this is Pangani Shopping Center. They also have Zuku and Safaricom cabled internet, so if you want to get your internet connection, it's definitely instant. This area is actually very close proximity to town, and yeah, areas like Park Road, Easily, and what have you. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you on the next one.